Is that kind of blue? Holy shit, it's kind of blue. It's kind of blue. It's kind of blue. Wait, where'd you go? Oh, the overheat's go. Holy shit, it's kind of blue.
Hey you, it's Kyla Lou. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 3 awesome ways to make money on TikTok. That does not include the Creator Fund. Okay, I could talk about the Creator Fund for a sec at the end if you want, because that's all everybody wants to talk about. But if that is something you are interested in, then just keep watching. The first way to make money on TikTok is live gifting, aka making money when you go live on TikTok. So what is live gifting? According to TikTok, the live gifts feature gives you an opportunity to collect diamonds through your viewers sending virtual gifts while you're going live. Diamonds can then be redeemed for money from TikTok. So let me walk you through this process. As a viewer, you can go ahead, hop onto TikTok and onto your personal profile. And up in the top right corner, you'll see 3 little bars. You'll click on those and you'll find the balance. So once you click on that, you'll see the coins that you may or may not have. And at that point, you're gonna click recharge and a little pop-up's gonna show up with a bunch of different options of different amounts of coins you can buy that cost different amounts. You can click on the amount you wish to buy and you can purchase those through your Apple ID. After purchasing, these coins can be exchanged for virtual gifts of different value. These gifts come in a unique and fun variety. And as you guys can see here, different types of gifts require different amounts of coins. And your viewers can choose to donate these coins to you if they are loving your content. So how do I make money from these coins? That's a great question. First off, at the time of filming this video, you need to have at least 1,000 followers in order to go live on TikTok. And if you're working on still hitting that milestone, I would highly recommend checking out this video right here that's going to help you find some tips and tricks on how to get to your first 1,000 followers. But after you've hit that awesome milestone and you go live, your viewers can give you coins and those coins are going to be converted into diamonds. Once your rewards hits 10,000 diamonds, you can then go ahead and cash out those diamonds, and that is done through PayPal. And as far as I'm aware, 10,000 diamonds equals $50 in cold, hard cash. Wow, that really is not comfortable. So $20,000 diamonds would be $100, and so on and so forth. If you guys want to learn how to actually go live on TikTok and have a successful stream, you can go ahead and check out this video right here. I'll leave it in one of these cards up here. Hope that's in the right place. Go check it out. I'll also leave any relevant articles from TikTok down in the description below in case you want to check them out. The second method on our list is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you recommend products you like and get paid for it. Wait, that's awesome. I know, right? You can do this by choosing 2 or 3 main affiliate products to promote. You can obviously do more as you continue to grow, but that's what I recommend if you are just starting out. Most affiliate programs allow you to join for free, and you can start by making 1 TikTok a day talking about the products you have chosen to promote. And you can either send people directly to your affiliate link in your TikTok bio or create a simple sales funnel that is gonna allow you to capture their email address and actually prep them for the product so you can email them in the future, building relationships and increasing potential sales. If you guys want a head start, you can actually clone my entire affiliate business, complete with an incredible product, a done-for-you sales funnel, an email sequence, and step-by-step tutorials, all for free. So you can check that out down in the description below. The last one on our list is brand sponsorships. But Kyla, I'm gonna need hundreds of thousands of followers before I can even think about getting a brand deal. Actually, no. There are a lot of influencers out there with less than 1K followers who are getting brand deals. This gal, for example, was making a minimum of $300 per post with less than 2,000 followers at the time. While yes, it is nice to have lots of followers, it's actually the quality of your audience that matters more. The more you can connect with your audience, the better. And sometimes that's easier to do as a smaller creator. Yeah, but it really is impossible impossible to get a paid brand deal just starting out. That could not be further from the truth. You deserve to be paid for your time, and I would actually highly recommend checking out my girl Austin, and she shares great tips on navigating brand deals and getting paid what you're worth. And remember, you don't have to wait for brands to reach out to you. You can do this in 3 easy steps. 1, make a list of at least 10 brands that you would love to work with that are also in line with the type of content your followers love to see from you. 2, you're gonna go ahead and create a media kit for yourself. You can do this for free by going into Canva, going up here to create a design and clicking on that, and then you can search media kit here in the search bar and select that. So then up here you can name it, so we'll just name it media kit. And here on the left hand side you'll see a bunch of different templates that you can use. So we'll go ahead and select this one, and let me go ahead and zoom in so you guys can see here. So you can go ahead, add in your name here. So if I wanted to, I could go ahead and add in my name, Kyla Lou. I can do what type of content I like to make. I can talk more about myself, and then I can talk about my content and my social media stats, and I can talk about where else you can find me and all of my social media links. And third, once that's done, you can go ahead and reach out to brands with a simple message like this. Hi there, my name is your name, and I just recently came across the brand you want to work with and fell in love. I know my audience would adore your work. If you're working with influencers through social media at this time, I would love to have the opportunity to talk further about this and possibly work with you in the future. And the reason why this message isn't a huge, long sales pitch is because regardless of the message you send, typically the brands will be like, here's an email, go ahead, send your media kit over if they are interested. And just keep in mind, even if the brand doesn't respond right away, you can work on starting to build a relationship with the brand, maybe buy some products, talk about it for free before asking for a sponsorship, so that you can show that you and your audience truly dig the product. Okay, let's talk about the Creator Fund for a sec. The Creator Fund. Everyone is always like, oh, the Creator Fund, or oh, I have followers now, like how do I join the Creator Fund? Now, full disclaimer, I've never actually been a part of the Creator Fund. So what I'm sharing with you guys is what I've heard from other creators and their experiences. And like you guys can see, there are a lot of other ways to make money from TikTok. And the Creator Fund is really only lucrative if you are getting a ton of views every single day. Don't believe me? That's okay, I get it. But I would highly recommend that you go onto TikTok and just search Creator Fund in the TikTok search bar and see what other creators are saying. If you do want to try and apply for the TikTok Creator Fund, I'll go ahead and pop up the requirements here on the screen for you guys to see. If you want to find where you can actually apply, you're going to go into your TikTok profile and up in the top right, click on those 3 little bars, and there you'll see Creator Tools. So once you click on that, down at the very bottom, you should see a place that says Monetization and the TikTok Creator Fund, and you can click on that, apply, and see if you get approved to join the Creator Fund. So there you guys go. I really hope you enjoyed this video and that you found some value. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe because it really does help support my channel so much. I appreciate you guys, and you got this. I know the TikTok journey can be crazy and intense, and oftentimes you're not sure what you're doing, but you got this. Keep going, keep trying new things, and you are gonna find success. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know down in the comments below. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, dudes.